Let's look at your entitlement. Are you sure it says Standalone Cloud Leased and you're running Windows? Here's how you activate your Standalone Cloud Leased license by running ULIC, the license activation utility. Before you begin, your Uniface machine must have an internet connection to activate and periodically renew the license. When activating a license on a machine for the first time, its persistent storage needs to be prepared. This only needs to happen once and the first time you activate a license on this machine. When you have installed Uniface as administrator using the installer, this is already prepared. If you need to prepare the persistent storage because you haven't used the Uniface installer, open a command prompt as administrator. Navigate to your Uniface's common bin folder and enter the command ulic/prep. Now your computer is ready to activate the Cloud Leased entitlement using the GUI or the command line utility. To activate a single entitlement, you can use the GUI. On your Uniface machine, log into the desktop. Open the Start menu and type ULIC. Click License Activation, Cloud Standalone. The Uniface license activation utility will open. Enter the entitlement ID from your Standalone Cloud Lease license. Click Activate to activate your license. You will see that the license is successfully activated. You can enter another entitlement ID to activate multiple entitlements. You can also activate your entitlement using the command line utility. Open the command prompt and navigate to your Uniface's common bin directory. To activate your entitlements, enter the command ulic/bat for batch mode, /act to activate, followed with your entitlement ID. Run this command for each of your Standalone Cloud Lease entitlements that you want to activate. Now you know how to activate your Standalone Cloud Lease entitlements on Windows.